Just stay on the line. I believe something's on your mind. There's something on your mind. Tell me, girl, stop wasting time. I believe something's on your mind. There's something on your mind. Tell me, just stay on the line. I believe something's on your mind. There's something on your mind. Tell me, girl, stop wasting time. You've been acting kinda strange on me lately. Is there something on your mind? I seem to get that feeling every time I'm near you, that I'm running out of time. How can you walk away and leave me hanging? Just leave me hanging on. I know there's something going on that just can't hide it. Now tell me that I'm wrong. Love is the feeling for so long together. Now I can understand how you and me can give up on love. Girl, you can say what's on your mind. We can talk it over there. There's no need for you to hide what you feel inside your heart. Something's on your mind. Just lay it on the line. Tell me something's on your mind. Tell me, girl. Just lay it on the line. Girl, so wishy-washy, sticky situation that you're taking me through. But baby, I can't imagine what I'd do without you, girl. Let me know if someone else is taking my place inside your heart. Don't disappear on me without a trace. Don't you know I believe something's on your mind. That something's on your mind. I believe something's on your that something's on your mind. I believe something's on your mind. That something's on your mind. Tell me, just lay it